Good morning. This tutorial is to share with you how to find your ranking and what it takes to get to the next rank. What I'm about to show you is very good because it will allow you to plan and to build your business with strategy. Even though this is a $9 per month business, it still needs strategy. Every successful business has strategy behind it. And one of the strategies that we have shared already is when somebody signs up, they put in their family or their loved ones in those first 2 key spots or 6 spots under them. But let's just use 2 for example. So one of the strategies is when you come in, putting your loved ones in those first 2. And if you have more, keep filling them up. But let's use 2 for an example, please. Makes it easier. So once you do that, you use the link of one of those loved ones to sign up to. Then you use the link of the other one to sign up to. What you have done is you have made yourself 2 bronze. And remember, you need 3 bronze to be able to move forward. So that way you have captured 2. And you can keep building on them, or once you get them to bronze, you stop and then keep using your own link. Just like we learned at the training on compensation, you build wide, meaning you bring in up to 100 people minimum. That should be your goal that you are personally enrolling. Because if you can do that or more, it means you have 100 teams under you. The number of people that you bring on board directly equals a team. And if you look at the compensation video, I think once you understand that each human being is a team for you, I think you begin to get the picture of how powerful this is. But again, this tutorial is to show you where your ranking is and what it's taking to get to the next rank, and you can plan ahead. So the first thing you want to do, regardless of whether you have earned anything or not, you click My Earnings on the left navigation spot here. Once you click My Earnings, it comes up and shows you where the earnings are. Okay, when you make money, this is where you find it if you have made anything. But the next thing you do in order to check your ranking is you click View Rank. Once you click View Rank, it will tell you at the top, based on where you are, what it takes to get to the next rank. As this person, I'm looking at their account, it says personally enrolled 0 out of 2, meaning your first role, your first job is to get 2. Rank based on paid members, 0 out of 2, needed for bronze. So meaning the next rank for this person is a bronze, and it's telling this person you need 2 people to get to bronze. So if you keep checking your view ranking under your earnings weekly, or if you're very active like myself, I check it every day to see what's happening, it will allow you to strategize. It really will allow you to strategize. Now, this strategy I'm sharing with you, I didn't have that when I started. I wish I did. I didn't have that. So I just jumped and I was just going. It was about a few days after that I realized that I should have put in my family first. So I didn't get that opportunity. So please guys, when you sign people up, let's share the information with them. Let's get them started the right way. Because if you can impress upon them that they should just get 2, even if they say, I don't want to build, I just want to buy, or I just want to sit here, tell them they know 2 people, put their family in there, and then they can sit back if they do wish, which will not be wise, but some people want, that's all they want. I think we all want more. All right. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.